I'll tell you, it's no wonder I want to move out of this place. It's like 94 degrees. I'm over here with a pick and a shovel, digging a hole, trying to put in a copper line. Oh, what a pain. Anyway, hopefully I'll get this done today. One of the most important things when dealing with these older copper pipes is knowing how to solder them together. Now, in order for pipe to be soldered using solder, which in this case is the newer lead-free solder, you're going to need a solder flux. This prevents oxidation. Remember, when metal is oxidized, it loses electrons. Clean metal, such as clean copper, is able to easily accept electrons. Now, what we're going to do, we're creating an alloy. So we have to take this solder and we're going to heat up this pipe, and it's going to create an alloy between the copper and the materials that are in the solder, which melts and chemically bonds to the pipe. It's not glue, and it differs from welding, because welding is where you take the same material and you fuse it together with heat. So in order to do that, we have to use sandpaper to scrape this down, and in some cases we may have to use hydrochloric acid to get it perfectly clean. But once it's done, this is a very simple process. Well, here it is. My project is getting there. Got the ditch dug all the way down to the fence, and through here to the bad section. We got to replace one stick of pipe, the place where it goes into the house, but it's getting there. Now, it's actually pretty simple. It's just the labor. It's later in the day, so it's not quite as hot. And you can see this was pretty easy digging compared to the normal coal rock. I got to do some soldering. Had to hit the Home Depot because I ran out of fittings. And, you know, other than a few couplers and so on, it's going to get done. It'll be over with. So as you can see, here's a typical solder joint I put together, and we'll go ahead and wrap the pipe and we'll be done with this.